The Pixel leaks just keep coming. With less than a week to go before Google's big launch event, yet another leak has given us a first look at the unboxing experience of the Pixel 8 Pro. Unboxing have been a routine part of nearly every Google Pixel leak cycle, with examples from Pixel 7 Pro, Pixel 6a, Pixel 6, and Pixel 5 just in reasonably recent memory. Shared on Facebook by VTV Studio, new images show off an unboxing of the Pixel 8 Pro in what appears to be a factory setting, though there's no video accompanying the images. The brief look confirms that Google's packaging will be virtually identical to the Pixel 6 and Pixel 7, with a USB-C to USB-C cable included inside, along with documentation and a quick switch adapter. The setup screen also appears identical. The images aren't of the highest quality, but they do get the point across. Also of note here is the apparent matte glass on the black Pixel 8 Pro, something we saw in a previous leak. We also see a similar matte texture on the porcelain color, but it's hard to tell if that's on the device or just a consequence of the poor image quality. In any case, we'll be able to see a better quality unboxing in a matter of days. Google is set to launch the Pixel 8 series and the Pixel Watch 2 on October the 4th. Alongside these pictures, a user on Twitter posted some pictures of the Pixel 8 in Hazel, the slightly confusing gray/green color, in its box. The box also confirms 128 GB of storage, SUB6 5G support, and a 6.2-inch display. What do you guys think of this leak? Do let us know in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.